a chance. Oh, it's not happening. Let's go log. Let's go look around. I gotta go this way. Don't want to try going this way. They have the old man showing me out all the time. That could go after it. It's meant to do it. Oh, epic wreck! Didn't take that turn very good, did I? Oh, the camera changed a little bit, didn't it? Let's see, for you, let's do this. We're going to shorten it a little bit so it's not as much hanging out. That's lighter, so we're going to take this in right here so it's not as heavy for you. Let's do one. Let's see if I can get this camera mounted again, right? How's that? Is that easier? Yeah. I didn't even think about that. Oh my God. I wish I could follow my own advice about don't wreck my car, right? Yeah. You did a better job not wrecking it than I did. Is that thing going out of orientation? It's kind of sucky.
Upside down mode.
Yeah. I think there's a way I can like fix it so it doesn't do that, but I haven't figured that out yet. That was a pretty good run. Let me try this again if I can redeem myself. So let's do. Oh, okay, you got it. Cinematographer, we got it. So I do about wrecking. Ooh, big tire up. Buffalo scratches out later. This is where I failed last time. I couldn't make the turn. I feel like I'm about to do it again. Oh, that back tire. That is danger! What am I going to do? Oh, God. I need to... You think so? Just send it?
Yeah.
Yeah! Good call! I like your advice. Let's go this grass. Let's get some sick grass videos. So you go ahead of me and point back, and I'm going to drive through the grass. Go slow. Let's do this. Are we good to aim? Maybe down. We'll aim it down just a little bit. Get that camera low. Get it low so it looks all crocodile blood eat. Got to gear down a little bit. It's a tough haul in there. Look here, Dad. Some training to make this work. I don't remember. Oh, we're stuck. Twigs get you on time.
Give me quite a workout.
Yeah, you did a good job. You're getting serious over here, I can tell. All right, I'm going to let you know a secret. You ready?
What?
Ready? Look right there.
Oh, yeah.
Nice long logs. I'm telling you, we got to fill this in with something right there.
Well, I'm thinking like...
Oh, you want to shoot that line?
Maybe.
Well, we need to get a wad because that'll roll.
That's all right.
Let me in.
My dog's like, oh, I'm not the center of attention anymore. later.
And they're dead. Drivers are dead.
Grab a log.
Rick, get down.
Got any manageable ones? Dude, here's a good one. This is a good one. See that diagonal thing? That's garbage, I think. You think that's good?
No.
Get rid of that. Get rid of that little tiny guy, and we'll throw this guy right here.
Gavin, you're gonna get smoked.
So that's doing good. Let's get rid of that one and get a better stick for that. Unless we can figure out how to tuck, unless we can figure out how to tuck it, that thing in there to keep. You think that's a possibility?
Maybe.
I just chucked it. Still gonna send it. Don't hurt your back.
Too late. Oh yeah, no. That ain't going in there. Goes the wrong way.
It does. Oh wait. What about? I need to stop this film. That's what I need to do because this is just the garbage shit ever. We're only 6 minutes in though. Can I do a 6-minute video? I don't think I can do a 6-minute video. There's got to be a spot where I can use this, where it's maybe for the beginning. Is that an option? Not really. Yeah, the thing is suck. That thing sucks. That's the plague. Just remember, that could all come tumbling down on your face. No warranties. No take-backs. There you go. Look at this guy. We'll give him a chainsaw next. Ew. Ew. Maybe this guy in that hole. See, I think, well, maybe. How close that? There we go. That's good. We might not need this guy, do we? Or... I don't know. Ooh, that's looking good. Hold on.
Just leave it. It's an obstacle.
That's a fucking wrecked car is what that is. I like obstacles, but I don't want everything I own to be destroyed. I think we need to like doodle doodle do because
Yeah, because you're never
this
gonna
guy
make
right
that.
there is just too much.
Never gonna make that.
Can I cleanse?
Yeah, I don't care.
Just be
Just
careful. Yeah. If you hurt yourself, you weren't here. You were at your backyard.
Yeah.
Oh, dogs are barking. Here's one right here. Like I think we need small diameter stuff.
I'm trying to find things that are like.
Well, here's some small stuff over here. This guy. See if we do a bunch of stuff that size and just make a little railroad road.
Yeah, that's a mile long.
Yeah, it don't matter. You can jump on it and snap it. Right? That's always an option. Alright, that's 10 minutes. We'll be back.